Ukhisimusi isikhathi sokuthi kuhlangane imindeni kanye nabangani. Kodwa ke amakhulu abantu asebekhulile abahlala ekhaya abadala abajabule ngalesikhathi. I-I-SABC ivakashele ikhaya abadala iAndries Meyer eEldorado Park eGoli beyobheka izinqinamba abantu abadala ababhekene nazo.
Sebebakhohliwe babashiya lapha babakhipha ezinhlizweni zabo. Bahlala kule ndawo ekupheleni kwempilo yabo. uDesiree usehlale lapha iminyaka emithathu. Akanazo izingane. Ungomunye obahlala lapha ababalelwa emashumini ayisishiyagalombili.
Mothers and fathers who have children and grandchildren who never see them, who die lonely and they never came to visit. Several times they phoned to say they're sick, can they please make a plan? They often come here 2-3 days after the mother or father passed on. There's many lonely people because they're looking forward to seeing their children and grandchildren and the families, and they never do.
Kwabafana no-Eva Spies oneminyaka amashumi ayisikhombisa nambili ubudala uthi lesikhathi sonyaka isikhathi sibuhlungu kakhulu kuye ngoba akanakwa umuntu. Izingane zakhe azimvakashela inhlobo.
I love them. They don't visit me. My grandchildren, they just around here, they don't come here. My granddaughter used to come here a lot, but since she's from nice, now she don't come here. I wish they can come. That's my wish for them, to come and see me. They don't have to bring nothing, they just have to come and see me, that's all.
Abafana no Mary, ubalulekile kwabamthandayo.
Ngiyayithanda iChristmas ngoba wonke umuntu ungibonisa uthando yabo. So if it's isikhathi seChristmas ngihlala ngijabulile because wonke umuntu uyangithanda.
Abaningi lapha banesifiso nje esejwayelekile.
En Kersfees is regtig as kyk as die geboorte van Jesus Christus.
Christmas is the birth of Christ. I feel that Christ sacrificed his life for us. Why can't our children do the same? Just give us a few minutes of their time and love. Many here just want their children's love.
Isipho esikhulu sika Ukhisimusi uthando.